So we all know what this is, right? This is raffia. This can be used as a bow or in a bow. Okay. So if you're gonna do a raffia bow, all you have to do is get a little bit of your raffia, okay? You're gonna pretend like it's ribbon. So all you have to do, you don't have to twist it or anything. You just fold it over at whatever size you want. Okay. Okay. Once you get it on there, then you're just going to spread it out. This is really, really fun. It's a really cute thing to do for any kind of fall stuff.